This video will help you find the area of a circle. The area of a circle is the space inside of the circle, the amount of space that the circle takes up. Here is the formula to find the area of a circle. Area equals pi r squared. Just a quick vocab reminder. R is for radius, which is halfway across the circle. D is diameter, the full length of the circle. And pi is 3.14. All right, here's our first example. Find the area of this circle. So we plug in 5 for the radius, and we square it, which means 5 times itself, and then times pi, and we get 78.5. Now you try it. Pause the video before you see the answer. Just a hint though, you're given the diameter, not the radius. If you said 153.86, you are correct. Great job. Just a reminder, cut the diameter in half, so half of 14 is 7, square it, 7 times 7, and then times pi. Here's a little joke for you. What is the formula for the area of a circle? Pi r squared. No, they're not. They're round. Get it? Hope this helps explain how to find the area of a circle. If it did, please like and subscribe. Thanks so much for watching.